Happy Friday! We're going to go ahead and get started with our spelling test at this time. Please make sure that you have a piece of paper out in front of you. Number it 1 through 20. You will have a bonus word at the end of the test, so please be ready for that as well. Double check and make sure your name is written at the top, please. And number 1 is shred. 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 We had to shred the confidential information after we used it. Shred. Number 2 is shriek. 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 I could hear the little girl shriek from all the way down the hall. Shriek. Shriek. Number 3 is shrimp. 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 We ate shrimp for dinner last night. Shrimp. Shrimp. Number 4 is shrink. 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 When we put my sweater in the dryer, I couldn't help but notice that it was going to shrink. 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 Number 5 is script. 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 The actor had to memorize the script for the play. Script. Number 6 is screw. 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 We had to screw the light bulb into the fixture. Screw. Screw. Number 7 is screech. 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 I could hear the car screech as it hit the brakes around the corner. Shriek. Screech. 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 Number 8 is straighten. 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 My teacher asked us to straighten up the room before we left. Straighten. Straighten. Number 9 is straps. 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 When we rode the horse, we had to hold on to the straps or reins. Straps. Number 10 is strand. 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 The rope was hanging by one little strand. 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 Number 11 is sprout. 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 The tiny little plant began to sprout with extra water and sunshine. Sprout. Sprout. Number 12 is sprawl. 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 The cat couldn't help but sprawl out in front of the sun by the window. Sprawl. Number 13 is sprang. 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 My mother sprang into action when she knew she had to clean the house for us. Sprang. 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 Number 14 is splashing. 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 All of the kids were splashing in the public pool. Splashing. Splashing. Number 15 is splotch. 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 There was a splotch of mustard on his shirt from his hot dog. Splotch. 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 Number 16 is thrill. 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 We loved the thrill of riding roller coasters at Cedar Point. Thrill. Thrill. Number 17 is throb. 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 My thumb couldn't help but throb after I banged it on the door. Throb. Throb. Number 18 is throat. 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 My throat was very sore after the cold that I had. Throat. Throat. Number 19 is thrift. 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 We went to the thrift store to see if we could find old clothing. Thrift. 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 Number 20 is through. 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 We walked through the door to get into the kitchen. Through. Through. Okay, if you need to listen back to any of the words, make sure you rewind it and do so. Your bonus word for this week is extinct. 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 Dinosaurs are now extinct on Earth. Extinct. Extinct. Okay, please make sure that you turn this into tray number 1 for me, and go ahead and get started on your vocabulary test. Thanks, guys.